Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to create the AWS EC2 instance from the AWS console in the graphical mode. So I'm into my AWS account as we see over here. So just click on it, EC2 tab. So right now there is no running instance. So I'm going to create a new one. Okay, so we can see we have a list of AMIs, machine image, but for my testing purpose, I will choose the OL7 Oracle Index because I have to install the Oracle 12c on the EC2 instance which I'm about to create. Okay, so I'm into the free tier eligible. Okay, next one, network type default, it's a default VPC. I will stick with the default one. Okay, enable, stop, next. Okay, so AWS provide 30 GB under the free tier account, so I'll use that one up to that one, and any extra storage if I'm going to use then for the incoming outgoing, because I would have to pay the extra amount. Name, value, the Oracle. So it's a kind of notation for the instance which I'm going to create. The security scripts, get a new one. SSH, custom, anywhere I'm allowing anyone to connect my instance. Okay, it's for the Oracle port. Review and launch. So we see let's it's my instance will be open to world. Okay, just launch it. Okay, also will require the key pair. I'm going to choose a new one. AWS hyphen EC2, whatever you can choose for. Let's download it. Open, launch. Okay, so it's about to launch. Your instance are now launching. Okay, we can see the log file. We can go to that window. Okay, does not exist. Okay, so it's pending. So right now it's taking time to open up. Just wait for a few moments. Okay, so it's running right now. We can see over here. Running, so we got the DNS name. So here we can see the description of the running instance like instance ID, type, in which one it's running, the AMI ID, key pair value name, and this is an important one, which is the DNS name. I'm going to use it for connecting this instance from the PuTTY. Okay, for that purpose, I'll have to go to the download. Okay, so this is the location where the EC2 key is. So I'll need the PuTTY chain to create the public private key. Okay, so click on the load. There's already one private key, so I'm not going to bother with that one. And also, okay, so it's imported, save private key. Yes. Okay, just click on with this name, save. So here we see like we have the PPK, which is public private key created, and I'm going to use it with the PuTTY software. This new one, I'm going to use it. So just, and I'll going to use the DNS name value for that instance. Just copy it and use it over here, here. Okay, and just name it to anything else what you want. AWS EC2. instance, use the SSH. In auth, we're going to locate that file, public private key file. Okay, just open. Just click open, hit open. Okay, so it's asking the EC. Okay, I mean, just enter. So we can see like we are into the EC2 instance. This is IP storage. So as we have seen, like we have opted the 30 GB size, but we have only the 15 GB because rest of the amount is utilized by the EC2 instance. Okay, so this is all about how we can connect the EC2 instance and how to create the AWS EC2 instance. In next video, I'm going to install the Oracle 12c in this instance. Okay, so